So dito pa rin tayo sa Grace Residences to check this new foreclosed condo unit. So let's go and check this out. Dulo ba yan?
Bago magdulo po.
So this is the unit, around 24 square meters or approximately 24 square meters. Again, may partition siya or divider, and then with balcony. And yan ang view niya, city view. Ayan. Medyo kita yung Laguna Bay. Ayan. And yung Marikina Valley. So this is around 2.8 million regular price. Discounted price is around 2.5 million. And this is as is where is upon turnover. Available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment, and then 80 to 90% balance bank financing and in-house plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Malapit lang po tayo sa Taguig City Hall, C5 and sa BGC and McKinley Hill. So this is a still sale. If naghahanap kayo ng condo na malapit sa BGC below 3 million, we have available units here in Grace Residences. So again, if you're interested, message us directly.